Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not add card to Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to add card to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet and you're facing the issue that you are unable to add card, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your settings app here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back and go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting a VPN, just go back and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If still not fixed your issue, so go to settings tab here, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. If you're still facing the same issue after resetting your network settings, so you have to try to check your credit card or your debit card information if you enter all the information correctly. If you're facing the issue that your information is not correct or your credit card had been expired, so you just have to try to contact with credit card or debit card insurer to get more help from there. Or you can also try to use your Apple Support app to get official help from your Apple Support team. Now to do this, you have to open your Apple Support app and just select iPhone from here. Then select this more option. Just look for wallet app from here. Select wallet, and here you just have to wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.